Muripara.
Muripara.
Yeah, Muripara, yeah. Named after one of my old grandfathers.
Right.
River, yeah. This was all Noongar source of water. People that lived in Ongerup, Nangrup, Jerrymungup and Borden, all them little old towns around here.
Yeah.
This is one of the main water sources. Of course, where we are, north of here, is where the Blue Hills are. Yeah.
And you wouldn't even know this is here.
No, you wouldn't. No, exactly.
Perfect.
So this was really not known to the Europeans. Only all the Noongar people knew this place.
Yeah.
And they kind of like Center Point, they lived like a community along the sides here too.
Yeah.
These rivers here. Because this is a life source, see? Fish, marrons, everything. Drinking, whatever. You got it. It's like a seafood shop, you know what I mean?
With the seafood
Yeah,
buffet.
that's it. Exactly. That's what it was, eh? Right here, man. To a community of indigenous people, Noongar people.
Yeah.
Noongar tribe, yeah. The little creeks that go, little springs that run through the blue hills.
Yeah.
Through the hills there.
Yep.
And the people they called the Menang people. They
Yep.
used to used to feed a lot of them sources, the little channels, but the Europeans come down, they blocked them all off, so now they don't run like they used to run.
Yeah.
You know? It's good enough. So you give his blood back to the ground. Now skin the sheep, whatever you're doing. You can part now, you just go down. Hold him. That's it. Hey, what you do here, Yod, come around here, now you know it's fresh. See that there?
Yep.
Yeah, down there like that.
Yep.
And you cut down like that. How many can you just cut before?
First one.
True story. Boy, you're doing all right, man. No lie.
Food is a great way to bring people together to talk about, stories and the stories behind where the food came from or the significance to a certain person. Talk about the land and, actually looking after it.
So, there you go, my brother, look here.
Beautiful.
You do whatever you want with them fellas there.
Cook them up first and have a little taste.
Yeah, bro.
Great.
Yeah, see, Yod, I'll put this on the side here, bro. Yep.
Great. It's not safe with the hair hanging around.
And when people first came through this area, our people have been in this region for at least 50,000 years. There is a site over towards Dunsborough that's been dated at around about 52,000 years. So people were hanging around when the megafauna was still roaming around, and they coexisted for at least 30 or 40,000 years as well. The oldest sites in Australia are dated at between 65 and 83,000 years now. And obviously the very oldest sites in this region are now probably under 100, 140 metres of water now. The original coastline from here went out about another 20, 25, 30 kilometres. So that's where the original, the original camping areas were. But this whole area is just, it was just a magnificent place. And even today, there's been a lot of disturbance through here. It's still a beautiful spot to come to. And this place is the same, it's Kelgan, so place of first fires. The Kelgan itself is, if it's not the oldest waterway on the planet, it's very, very close to it. It's ancient. I want to dig up one or two of these blood roots to show people. And once we finish with it, we just stick it back in the ground again. And it's not going to actually do it any harm. That's the thing about all our foods, is that they're very fast acting. Like if you had that bad toothache, you chew off enough of that blood root, your toothache will go within about 2 or 3 seconds. About 4 or 5 little bulbs growing off one just in there. I wonder how spicy this one's going to be. And I just want you to try just a tiny bit, because it might be a little bit spicy. Just try a little piece each. It's a bit hard to say, they do take a while to grow. So this one might be a 5 or 6 year old one. And look, what we just did was sustainability. We had a bit, we put it back in the ground, we'll leave that now. And then it'll start shooting up these again, and it'll just regrow. Oh, it's just amazing. And it's a very special plant for a whole group of people. For 50 or 60,000 years to be named after what you've just eaten, I think is pretty impressive as well. So.
Our great friends, the Sippies, Libby and Cole, have welcomed us back into their house again. Whenever we come down here, Cole and Libby look after us, and the camp oven is one of our favourite things to eat. Cole has, just blown us away time and time again by cooking us dinner. And he's so passionate about what he does and the farming and the land around us that, it's just sort of a perfect match for us to do an event with him this evening.
I'm just going to leave a few on to get another bag going.
Yeah, tip these ones. Should have been tipped there.
I did, didn't I?
No, you tipped them there.
Oh, but I left that. Oh, you wanted this on that side?
Yeah, so you just see the breeze is blowing a heat onto our camp ovens. That's all that goes wrong tonight. I reckon we had a bloody good night.
Cole's quite a honest man, and he probably won't pop up here to spiel, but he's someone that we've looked up to for a long time. I've never actually seen anybody cook camp ovens like he does, and trying to cook one at home on the coals, I struggle, to be totally honest. And Cole had, I think it was 15, was it 15, Cole? Yeah. So he's just cooked 15 camp ovens all at the same time and had to time it right because we were going a little bit faster, a little bit slower, and has just absolutely nailed everything there. He's done some beautiful pepperberry potatoes, aniseed myrtle onions, some sweet potato with maple syrup and a little bit of cinnamon and cardamom, and then some local lamb. And I don't think I've ever really had a roast anywhere near as good as this. We're going to start bringing some food out, guys, and dig in and enjoy it like you would a nice family meal. Thank you.
Got it?
Anything away and get over here, my cuz. Yeah, so here we are today, learning each other, telling each other, and there's the Australian people, the non-Indigenous and the Indigenous Australian peoples, all of us Australian peoples, learning about this knowledge, to make this country more complete with its knowledge and information. Tools from this side, my side of the world, and your side of the world, Yeah. That's how we're bridging it. Bridging the cultures too, man. It's good stuff. Building bridges, brother? That's right.